My name's Alister, Director, Owner of Nexus Engineering here in Nelson. We specialise in stainless steel and aluminium fabrication. Nexus Engineering, we're all about food processing companies here in Nelson, and also architectural stainless and aluminium jobs as well, and a little bit of general and maintenance work as well. Our standards pretty much as high as we can get. Never reach the highest point because there's always improvements in gear and where you can get to, yeah. Especially with like hygienic food grade welding. That has to be at the highest level. There is no substandard for it. So yeah, it's about 11 years ago, 12 years ago, bought my first Strata welder. So that was the ACDC 200, and that machine's still going. It's actually our site welder at the moment. But yeah, it's never broken down. It's been a great welder. So obviously I wasn't going to compromise with a different brand. Strata's making good gear and the technology's going forward really well. I think we're about 3 or 4 months deep with the 250 now, and yeah, it's been awesome. The fact that it can go right down to 5 amps for real low heat inputs and materials. It's real versatile, good arc stability, high frequency, responds really well, and the AC as well, and the water cooler on it takes it to the next level as well. I'm not burning out torches when you're running hot welds on aluminium. It takes about 30 seconds to swap it between AC/DC. So it's real handy having the preloaded settings in the machine. So we can literally scroll through, select the setting that we want. If we're going from purge welding some stainless through to welding some heavy aluminium, and then change the tungsten over and adjust our gas rates, and we're ready to go. So yeah, we can literally get that process down to about 30 seconds. Whereas in other time frames that involved wheeling another machine over to be able to do the job, setting up, it's way more efficient than basically getting 2 welders in one. The ACDC 200 that I did have, that had a minimum amperage of 10, so we've got half of that amount again now with the 250, being able to go lower, to the point where we literally had a job last week of welding razor blades, and that performed superbly. Work efficiency, have dedicated workshop machines, so the 250 for me is a workshop machine set up on the trolleys with the water coolers. They've got longevity in the consumables because of the water cooler as well, and a bit of extra heat, but at the same instance they're not too big to be able to take on site if we've got a heavier job on site to do as well. You can load them onto a vehicle pretty easy and take them away with you, and you can also get them without the water cooler too, which makes them more portable. Probably one of the biggest selling points as well was the size of the machine, for the features and the heat output that it can handle. So the 250 is the same size as my old 200 from 10 years ago. So we're getting another 50 amps of power through the machine with way more features and the same size unit. Straightforward as. We can swap between any steel, stainless, aluminium, it'll do it all. AdvanceTig250 is really good for aluminium because it's got so many different wave options as well. So for cleaning and penetration purposes, you can really fine tune it for the type of weld that you're doing. Definitely notice a difference, because like to swap a welder from steel to aluminium or stainless to aluminium, and it only taking 30 seconds as opposed to walking off and grabbing another machine, wheeling that over, setting it up, making sure it's all there to go. It's reduced that downtime big time. Yeah, or jobbing work coming in off the street, if someone needs something welded up quickly, we can just throw it at the bench and within 30 seconds we're ready to go. Built to last. To run a welder for 10 years and to not have it break down is pretty hard. It's pretty crazy how responsive all the technology is inside it, and the features, being able to fine tune everything made his welding better because of it as well. It's been on the horizon for a while. At the moment we're actually contemplating buying a second one. Yeah, well, it's not really contemplating, we're going to be buying a second one.